Let's play with the AI. Hi, I'm Hideki, AI coordinator. Today is the second AI development training for AI beginners. In the first installment, I introduced number recognition using the MLS dataset. The second time, I will introduce how to make AI for image recognition using the Cypher10 dataset. If you create this AI, you will be able to recognize 10 kinds of animals from the image. The only development environment required for this training is a personal computer and the internet. The best way to study AI is to try it out first. Let's study while moving AI. We will continue to introduce many ways to study AI. If you like, please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started.
First, download the Code AI Coordinator GitHub. The repository used is easy and free AI learning. The URL of GitHub is described in the comment section of this video. Select the download zip from the code icon here to download the zip. After downloading, unzip the zip file. After unzipping, check the folder. The file used this time is the image recognition IPYNB file in the image recognition folder. Run this file is Google Colaboratory. Now let's upload the file to Google Drive. I think you can do it by dragging and dropping. After uploading, right-click and select to launch the file with Google Colaboratory. If you can display it like this, you are ready to go. Let's start with the code description. The dataset used is Cypher10. Cypher10 is a dataset of 10 class images such as airplane, automobile, bird, cat, deer, dog, frog, horse, sheep, truck. A dataset with 50,000 training and 10,000 test data. Next is the confirmation of GPU. This command allows you to check the GPU to use. As a caveat, make sure the runtime is GPU. Here is the code from running the required libraries. Next, specify the name and path of the created AI model. This is the code to see the contents of the data to be trained. This example shows a dog. Next is the definition of the model. We will use CNN again. This function displays the learning result as a graph. Here is the code to let the AI run. In this way, the learning results are displayed one after another. It's fun just looking at it. When the learning is finished, the result will be displayed as a graph. The lower the loss, the better, and the higher the accuracy, the better. After learning saves the AI model, you can make AI up to this point. Here is the code that lets AI read the image and infer it. Upload the image to be loaded by AI. After uploading, it recognitions the image. The recognized result is displayed. If the image of the dog is displayed as dog, the answer is correct. This is the explanation of the full code. Now let's actually start the code. Let's execute the code by selecting Run All Cells from Runtime in the menu. You can see the learning situation like this. it's fun just to look at it. Please wait. After learning is complete, make sure that the AI model is saved in the folder. Next, let's upload a file that will be inferred by AI. Select an image of the dog. After uploading, run AI. AI infers the image in this way. The answer is excellent. Dog. Oh. Bug. NG. If you want to recognize another image, try uploading the file again. Select an image of the cat. After uploading, run AI. Cat, bird, NG. Increase the number of epochs. Rerun. Okay, finish. I will try again. Cancel. Dog. Dog, excellent. Cat. Cat, excellent. Okay. I will try again. File upload. Here. I think deer. I think this is a deer. Okay. You have now created an AI that recognizes images. Please try it.
Have you created an AI model that can recognize animal from image? You can try it like this. You will find that it's not that difficult. Watch this video to learn how to make AI. We will continue to introduce many ways to make AI. Please subscribe to the channel if you like. Let's play with AI. Goodbye.